Golan Heights. Why are they so important for Israel and Syria? The Golan Heights, along with the rest of the region, came under the control of Alexander the Great in 332 BC, following the Battle of Issus. The Golan Heights are a rocky plateau in the Levant region of Western Asia that was captured by Israel from Syria in the 1967 Six-Day War. The international community, with the exception of Israel and the United States, considers the Golan Heights to be Syrian territory held by Israel under military occupation. Allegations have been made that some were rebel fighters from the Free Syrian Army. This theory is supported by the claim that Israel had a strategic interest in aiding the rebels. They fought against both ISIL and Iranian allied forces. The Golan Heights is a hilly, 1,200 sq.km rocky plateau in southwestern Syria in the Middle East region overlooking Lebanon, Syria, and the Jordan Valley. The Golan was Syrian territory until 1967 when Israel occupied it. In the closing stages of the Six-Day War, the Israeli government decided on Sunday to double its population on the occupied Golan Heights while saying threats from Syria remained despite the moderate tone of rebel leaders who ousted President Bashar al-Assad. Israel captured most of the strategic plateau from Syria in the 1967 Six-Day War and annexed it in 1981. After Assad fled Syria on December 8, Israeli troops moved into a demilitarized zone inside Syria, including the Syrian side of strategic Mount Hermon, which overlooks Damascus, where its forces took over an abandoned Syrian military post. Israel called the incursion a temporary measure to ensure border security. Following is a quick guide to the hilly, 1,200 square kilometer, 460 square mile, Golan Heights, a fertile and strategic plateau that overlooks Israel's Galilee region as well as Lebanon, and borders Jordan.